Tagalog kasi I think
Nag-live.
tayo naman mga Pilipino. This is my first time na makarating sa Liege. First of all, we will on behalf of the Philippine Embassy and Honorary Consul General Ronnie De Blare, we would like to congratulate PCLB, Filipino Community of Liege in Belgium, in your celebration of the 15th anniversary. We hope na mag-100 pa kayo or whatsoever. Yeah. So, natuwa ako. Pagpasok ko pa lang dito, nakita ko na nasa Philcom nga ako. Kasi may mga kumakanta na, may sumasaya. So, ang Pilipino talaga everywhere, laging masaya, di ba? So, keep that character kasi pag malayo din tayo sa ating country, hindi naman yung iba dito, of course, medyo maybe nalulungkot o iba sanay. So being happy and being a Filipino like singing, dancing, eating, laging hindi nawawala yan. Nakita ko, it's like a long buffet. So thank you din sa Filipino food na niluto ng ating mga kasama dito. Thank you, it's delicious kasi kami sa Brussels, hindi naman ako nagluluto. Busy din ako, no? So, and also I discovered talents. It's good to visit a different Philcom kasi before the start of this program, I already discovered some Filipino talents na I can tap for promoting our country in Belgium. So, sana help us sa embassy na to promote our country. Of course, adopted country nyo na ito, but we hope you can be our partner in promoting our country here. Thank you very much at congratulations and enjoy the day.
Thank you very much, Madam. And also, we are very honored to have with us today the Honorary Consul, Mr. Ronnie De Blare. De Blare. I don't know if I pronounce it right.
It's a difficult pronunciation. De Blare, but De Blare is okay.
De Blare. De Blare. Okay, from now on, De Blare. Okay, sir, can you please give us a short speech?
Okay, thank you for the invitation. Also on my behalf, congratulations with your anniversary. It's an honor to be here. It's the first time I come here and it's really peaceful, and I just told that I can grow old here. So we have nice music, food, and the environment is great. We have a lot of things going on for the moment. 2025 will be a very important year because we will be celebrating the 80 years relations between Europe and Belgium. So there's a lot of things that will happen in 2025. We also have the 135th anniversary of the arrival of Dr. José Rizal in Belgium. So we will celebrate this too. And next to that, we will have again Independence Day celebrations. This time we will have it on a different time schedule. Normally it's always around June 12th. But unfortunately, the students, they're always in exam period at that time. They can never participate. So we made an agreement that this year we will have it on June 28th. So we will have an extended Independence Day. During the daytime, we will have a program for the Filipino community, and we will organize something there. But then in the evening, we will try to have a party for the Belgian and the Filipinos. Students, the youth, so that they will try to kind of free podium. It will be this year in Deinze again. I talked to the mayor of Deinze. I hope he will still be the mayor after the elections, but we will see. But he's willing to support it, and he's willing to communicate this to the schools in Deinze and also around Deinze. So please join. Because my intention is, and I know it's also the intention of the ambassador and of Ms. Gigi here, we would like to tour Independence Day in the whole of Belgium. Because if you need to come from Liège to Denza, and it already happened. I remember 2 years ago you were there with the buses, and but it's a long way. So it's not honest for you that you always have to make the travel. So I would really like to organize it maybe in 2026 in Liège. So I'm calling out to you. We will help you with the organization. We will be there. We just ask for your support, and we will help you to organize everything. We will support you on that. So, yeah, please. I'm really calling out for you on that. So it would be nice to meet the Filipino. Let's unite all Filipinos in Belgium, not only in Flanders. I would like really to, even the Filipinos in Liège, in Luxembourg, because the embassy is also handling Luxembourg. Luxembourg is not that far from here, so let's invite them too. Thank you, and again, congratulations with your anniversary.
Welcome again, Ms. Gigi Abad and Mr. Ronnie De Blair. I would like to present to you the present pastoral service team of our community. We call them pastoral service team, but they are actually the current leaders of our community. We have elections every 2 years, and the present PST are gonna serve up to next year. So I would like first to call Yen, our beautiful Yen Flores. And the next beautiful one is Atilet of Finance. She takes care of our finance. And our Rebecca Estigoy.
Women power!
And Alan Santiago. Alan Salazar of Vincola. And there's one who couldn't make it, so her name is Alan Nuera. And I would like to present to you too our pastoral, our spiritual advisor, Father Austin Escortino.
Father Austin!
So, wala, the Philippine Embassy. I present to you the leaders of the Philippine Community of Liège, Belgium. Thank you.
Father, would you like to say something po?
Hindi allowed ang rotation.
So, hindi na lang. Para mahabang moment.
Okay. Sorry.
Interview na lang ako. Ano ang pinaka...
No. Say something.
Extemporaneous.
Okay.
Say something about us.
Ang topic, eto ang topic. Ano ang pinaka-ups and downs ng 15 years ng anniversary ng FCLB?
Ups and downs?
Opo. Iba-ibang story. May nakausap ako kahapon. Naalala niyo po yung concert 2010. Nag-tour ang Filipino Choir OPSA.
Opsa.
That's one activity. They represented
UP Singing
Filipinos
Ambassador.
sa buong Belgium. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Ano pa po? Help me make some memories.
Lubok Children's Choir as
Children's
well.
choir. Ano pa po?
Then we have
UPLB.
dinner for a cause during Yulan.
Dinner for Racos.
Surigao nga flat.
Surigao!
Then yung, ano pa, we have a,
Ayan, sige, tulungan niyo po kung mag...
feeding and then
Feeding.
botanic.
Ako'y botanic, yes.
And then during,
Ano pa po? Mga apps natin. What else do we do?
Our community, every mass.
Yes, we celebrate the Eucharist. Yes.
Once a month.
Very good. Active participation. Very good,
students.
Sa Liège, ano po?
Participating in the pastoral,
Yes, we participate sa commune po, no?
migrant.
Asian market. Okay. Di ba marami po? Okay. Nagsumba.
When our guests were hosted by the in open with the Germanophone Parliament. The
Ayun.
Parliament of Germanophone hosted the Filipino state ambassadors to perform in the Parliament. Sila si
Okay,
ano yun?
so ito happy recollection. We did many things and we thank the Lord for that. Ayan. Nakadip na.
Thank you very much, Father Austin. And yes, it's true that we have several activities, not just for the Filipinos in Belgium, in Liège, I mean, but also we participate in cultural activities of some cities here in Liège. Okay, so now as a token of our appreciation for your presence, we would like to offer you the... Yes, please.
Kayo, Alin, sige.
So, Madam Virginia Abad, thank you so much for gracing our event today. So we really appreciate your presence.
Yes. Of Liège. I know that you know the beer in the Flemish area and in the area of Brussels, so we collected some beer from the area of Liège to represent our community. Thank you.
Salamat we never expected that. And that will be very helpful kasi pag may bisita tayo minsan, so pwede nating i-promote yan. Thank you.
There's another one flower, just a simple bouquet for you. And also for our honorary consul, Mr. Ronnie Debla. Thank you so much for gracing our event today. A collection of beers that are made in Liège.
Wallonian side.
Thank you so much. I will enjoy this at home because I don't want to meet my former colleagues on the highway when I drink all this. So, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you once again. So now I will give the microphone to Alan for our parlor games.
Yay!
And for now, I would like to thank everybody. I need two teams.
I-on pa to?
With a leader.
Madam Allen, do I continue with this? I-on ko lang? Hawakan ko lang? I-off ko na?
Unless gusto nyo i-ano. Paano ba ito?